Hi, and welcome to Nisi's Food Journey. Today we're making one of my favorite comfort foods, beef stroganoff. You'll be surprised at how simple and easy this is. Of course, we're going to start off with a steak. I bought a sirloin. You want to buy a pretty decent cut of meat for this. And now to the other ingredients. You have to have some mushrooms. We're not using anything from a can. And for the sauce, you need some beef broth and a little bit of heavy whipping cream, some sour cream, and I like to season with some dill and some chives. You need a little bit of Dijon and some Worcestershire. We're also going to use some diced onion, flour for the roux, and some garlic. And I like to serve this over a bed of egg noodles. Just wait to see how I prepare those noodles. Let's get started. I went ahead and sliced up the beef and seasoned it. Now I'm going to add it to a Dutch oven that has some oil inside. Now we like our beef medium rare in this house, so this is not going to cook very long for us. You cook as long as you like. For me, these took only about 3 minutes or so. I put them all to one level, cook both sides, and then I'm going to remove this to a plate to rest while I start the sauce. I'm going to go in with a little bit of butter and the mushrooms. These are baby portobello, sliced. This recipe is a recipe I got from watching Natasha'sKitchen.com. I will link it. Hello, Spencer. I will link that recipe in my description. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to brown these up. They take about 10 minutes or so. Add our onion. And just let these, let them sweat out. Let them cook down. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to go in with our garlic. The garlic only takes a minute. Now I'm adding 2 cups of beef broth. And of course, I forgot to film me adding the flour to the mushrooms. You need that to make the roux so the sauce can thicken. And now I'm going to go in with the heavy cream, about 1 cup. This will also help the sauce thicken. You want to bring the sauce to a little bit of a bubble. Stir everything to combine. I'm going to go in with some Dijon and some Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to stir everything and I'm going to lower it now that it's bubbling to a simmer. And you're going to want to season with your salt and pepper to taste. Here I'm going to temper the sour cream. You want to add some of that cooking liquid to it. That way it won't curdle when you add it to the pot. I'm going to season this up with some dill and some chive. And now the egg noodles. And this is how I prepare the egg noodles for this dish. I cook the noodles in the sauce. That's right. They take about 15 minutes. The last couple minutes, you want to go back with that beef and all its drippings, add it back to the pot, cook it till it's warmed through, and here you go. Simple, fast, delicious beef stroganoff. I find by cooking the noodles in the sauce, it gives them a very, very rich taste. It also helps thicken the sauce a little bit. This meal is delicious, and you saw how simple it was. I think the whole thing from start to finish was about 30 minutes or so. So yummy. I absolutely love this dish, and I hope you make it, and I hope you enjoy it too. Hello, Spencer. Very, very easy beef stroganoff. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe so you can join me on my future food journeys.